What is prompt engineering? It's a question that's been bouncing around in the minds of many, especially those with a keen interest in artificial intelligence. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery behind this concept and delve into the fascinating world of chatbots, specifically focusing on ChatGPT prompt engineering. Prompt engineering is a crucial aspect of AI development. It involves crafting prompts that effectively guide an AI's response. This process is similar to giving a nudge in the right direction to a conversation partner who may be unsure about the next steps in the dialogue. By providing the right input, prompt engineering ensures that the desired output is achieved. Now, why does prompt engineering matter? Well, it's simple. The better your prompts, the better the AI's responses. This isn't about tricking the AI into giving the right answer. It's about setting the stage for a productive interaction. With well-crafted prompts, an AI can provide detailed responses, demonstrate understanding, and even show a bit of creativity. Let's take the example of ChatGPT, an AI model developed by OpenAI. ChatGPT is a language model, meaning it generates text based on the input it receives. The quality of the output, therefore, depends heavily on the input, or in other words, the prompt. A well-engineered prompt can guide ChatGPT to generate more accurate, relevant, and contextually appropriate responses. So, how does one engineer a prompt? It's about understanding the AI model, the task at hand, and the desired outcome. A good prompt is clear, concise, and task-specific. It should provide enough information to guide the AI, but not so much that it overshadows the AI's ability to generate its own response. Let's say you're using ChatGPT for a task like generating a recipe. A good prompt might be, describe a recipe for a chocolate cake. This prompt is clear, task-specific, and provides enough context for the AI to generate a detailed and relevant response. In sum, prompt engineering is a crucial aspect of working with AI models like ChatGPT. It's about guiding the AI to produce the best possible response, whether that's a detailed recipe, a witty joke, or an insightful analysis. With well-engineered prompts, the possibilities are endless. To recap, today we've discussed what prompt engineering is, why it's important, and how to craft effective prompts. We've explored the world of ChatGPT and the importance of prompt engineering in guiding AI responses. Remember, the key to a great AI interaction lies in the art of crafting the perfect prompt. So next time you're engaging with an AI like ChatGPT, think about the prompt you're using and how you might engineer it to get the best possible response. Happy prompting!